Good job. What are you doing, bud? What are you doing?
I'm washing.
You're washing? What are you washing? You rinsing it now? You're washing Mama's dishes? Wow, bud. How'd you get to be so big? You Mama's big helper? Yeah, that's good, bud. Now rinse off the soap. Rinse off the soap. Rinse off the soap. Good job, bud. What are you doing? Oh, that dish looks very clean now. Thanks, bud. You gonna rinse off the soap? There's still some soap on there. Put it under the water and rinse it. Oh, good job. Good job, bud. Thank you for helping me. Thanks, bud.
Let me have those down.
Yeah, you want to pull that down? Okay. There you go. Oh, bud, you're really good at that. I love you, Z. Woohoo.
Waffle tea.
Are you washing the dishes? Washing the dishes? Washing the dishes?
Where is the dishes?
I love you.